For families in Maricopa, Arizona, home safety is always a top priority. Parents and pet owners alike want to ensure their homes are comfortable, functional, and most importantly, secure. While many homeowners focus on locks, gates, and alarms, one often overlooked aspect of household safety is the windows. Professionally installed windows not only improve energy efficiency and curb appeal but also play a significant role in protecting children and pets. The risks of outdated or poorly installed windows. Old or improperly installed windows can pose several hazards. Loose or faulty locks that make it easy for curious kids or pets to open. Warped frames or gaps that can cause windows to close suddenly, risking injury. Unstable screens that may give way if leaned on. Sharp edges or broken glass from poorly maintained frames. In a busy family household, these risks are amplified. Proper installation by professionals ensures that your windows are not only functional but also secure and safe for everyday use. Safety benefits of professional window installation. Secure locking systems. Professional installers ensure that windows are equipped with reliable locking mechanisms that are correctly aligned. This reduces the chance of accidental openings by children and makes it harder for intruders to gain access. Properly balanced operation. Windows that are difficult to open or slam shut are a danger to little hands and paws. Professional installation guarantees smooth, balanced operation, preventing sudden closures and reducing the risk of pinched fingers or injuries. Sturdy screens and barriers. While screens aren't designed to hold weight, professional installation ensures they're properly secured. This minimizes the chance of pets pushing through or children accidentally leaning against a weak screen. For added protection, installers can recommend safety screens or window guards designed with families in mind. Safety glass options. Professional window replacement often includes the option for tempered or laminated glass, which is far safer than traditional single-pane windows. If broken, safety glass crumbles into small, less dangerous pieces or remains intact due to a special interlayer, significantly reducing injury risks. Custom placement and sizing. Professional installers can recommend the best window designs and placements to meet your family's needs. For example, placing operable windows higher in a child's room prevents little ones from reaching them while still allowing ventilation. Everyday peace of mind. For Maricopa families, installing windows with safety in mind brings everyday benefits for families. Child safety. Parents can feel confident knowing windows won't easily open or slam shut unexpectedly. Pet protection. Pets can enjoy looking outside without the danger of falling through weak screens. Reduced accidents. Smooth, properly installed windows eliminate sharp edges, drafts, and gaps that cause hazards. Better ventilation without risks. Families can enjoy fresh air while keeping children and pets secure inside. For busy households in Maricopa, this peace of mind is priceless. Additional perks beyond safety. While safety is a top priority, professionally installed windows also provide energy efficiency. Tight seals and advanced glass reduce energy loss, keeping homes cooler in the desert climate. Noise reduction. Double or triple pane windows block out traffic or neighborhood sounds, creating a calmer home environment. Curb appeal. Stylish designs improve your home's exterior appearance. Increased value. Safe, modern, efficient windows are a selling point for future buyers. These added benefits make professional installation a smart investment for any Maricopa homeowner. Why choose professional installation over DIY? While some homeowners may consider installing windows themselves, DIY efforts often result in misalignment, poor sealing, or compromised locks. Professional installers have the expertise, tools, and experience to ensure your windows meet both safety standards and performance expectations. They also understand the specific challenges of Maricopa's desert climate, recommending materials and designs that withstand heat, dust, and sun exposure. Final thoughts for Maricopa families with children and pets. Windows are more than just a way to let in light or fresh air. They're part of a safe, secure home environment. Professional window installation eliminates risks associated with faulty locks, unstable screens, and poorly fitted frames, while adding long-term value and energy savings. By choosing trusted local professionals, you can ensure your home is not only beautiful and efficient but also safe for the ones who matter most. It's an investment that gives you peace of mind and keeps your loved ones protected every day.